What's up, folks? This is BG, and today it's just gonna be a regular day. I was gonna be cutting my grass, but my lawnmower shut down. All right, right here. So our neighbors offered us a manual lawnmower, and that's what we're gonna be using today, right now. Okay, Bella's doing it right now. Old school style. She just took over. She said it was fun. She got army jump boots on. You about to go jump out the airplane? Huh?
I don't want no stuff on me.
What you doing? Looking like Huckleberry Finn over there. Looking like Tom Sawyer. Where you want me to mow the boss at? I said, where you want me to mow the grass at, boss?
Stories of Tom Sawyer. He's a steamboat living by the river. Chasing that steamboat teacher.
Let's see it go to business. You better let me get that before they be talking about me.
Yeah, I just was trying. I have enough of that.
Let's see if I can. Let's see. Oh. Why you backing up like this?
See it. Crazy. There he goes, just mowing the lawn. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I wanted to try it because one time I had one a long time ago. It was like hard to push. So it must be strong, or I don't know. Pretty cool. And she said it needs to be sharpened, but it's working enough for us.
Working enough?
Yes. We got a weed eater. So there goes our old lawnmower. It done broke down. I think it just is the weather. But
that little thing is raggedy.
I mean, we've had it for like four or 5 years.
See, now it been raining for almost a whole week. I ain't get a chance to cut my grass. My grass looking like Jungle Dookie. You know what I'm saying? All types of snakes and stuff could have been in it. And I'm gonna start my lawnmower on the first day. It was sunny and it won't even start. So I gotta get this jungle out of here.
Okay.
We got doo-doo snakes.
I'm glad we got there's a booty shadow. I'm glad we got an alternate. Wait a minute, move my solar panel. What's happening?
First time. What's up?
The solar panel, you wanna move that?
Ready to cut it off?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
How do we do this?
Alright folks, so we just finished cutting it with the manual lawnmower. Now we're gonna hit it up with the weed eater and everything. I'm trying to get level with you. It did an alright job, not like a regular lawnmower or mechanical engine, electrical powered lawnmower. But I gotta get this cut. Now we're about to hit with the weed eater. So, alright, peace.